Yesterday we discussed some conversation between the woman and the shopkeeper. I hope you understood that. Today we are going to listen the listening text. First of all, I read aloud. All of you should listen to me carefully, and later on I will ask some questions. Okay?
Okay.
Are you ready? Kiran heard a shout. Kiran! Kiran! Oh, Rohit! Why are you late today? Kiran ran towards Rohit. I am about to go home. Come on, let's play for a while and then go. I am sorry, Kiran. I am not interested in playing now. Why? What happened to you? Are you alright? I am alright, Kiran, but my father, what happened to your father? He got an injury on his head today, said Rohit. Has he met with an accident? Exclaimed Kiran. No, it is not an accident. It was just an incident, replied Rohit. Our new pet kitten is the cause of the injury. What? A kitten is the cause of the injury? Yes. It's a long story. Tell me quickly. It's already late, said Kiran. No. I will tell you tomorrow. I will tell you tomorrow. My father may be waiting for me. I should go home. Okay, bye Kiran. Alright. Bye Rohit. Bye Kiran. Both of them left the park. Let me read out again. Once again I am going to read the text now. All of you should listen again. Okay? After this I will ask some questions. Clear?
Clear.
Let me ask questions.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Give the answers one by one. I will ask everyone. Okay. In this listening text, we have two characters. Can you name them, Praveen? Can you name the persons, name the boys in this story? What are their names? Rohit, Kiran. Rohit and Kiran. Both of them are good friends. Okay? Right, sit down. Who was waiting in the park? Ramya? Who was waiting in the park? Excellent. Kiran was waiting in the park. Whom was he waiting for? Who was he waiting for? Every కోసం వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాడు? Yes, Rohit. Very good. Who was late? Who was late? Rohit. Rohit was late. Sit down. What did they want to do? What did they want to do in the park? What did they want to do in the park? Park lo em cheddam anukunnaru varu?
Playing.
Yes, playing. They wanted to play. But Rohit was late. Kiran was waiting. Why was Rohit late to the park? Very good. His father, Rohit's father, got an injury on his head. Very good. Sit down. What was the cause of the injury? Vaishu, what was the cause? Karanam endidi? What was the cause of the injury?
Kitten.
Excellent. Kitten. The kitten was the cause of the injury. Sit down. Did Rohit tell the story to Kiran? Vishu? Did Rohit tell the story to Kiran? No. When he wanted to tell? Tomorrow. The next day he wanted to tell the story. Why he was not interested to tell the story now? Why was he not interested to tell the story now? Rohit's father may be waiting for him. His father wanted to take the help from Rohit. So if he would play here, he would be waiting there. So there was nobody at home to look after him. That's why Rohit wanted to go back home. That's why he was not interested to play. He was not interested to tell the story even. Clear? So that's why both of them left the park. Did you understand this?
Understand.
Did you understand the story?